The pink sheer silk nightgown flowed over her shivering body like a waterfall. The gown freckled with blood splatter. Her leg peeped through the ripped split. Barefoot on the bloody parquet floor, frozen in the oozing stream, motionless in a surreal spell, she stared at her ripped underwear that lay by her stove. The once white panty lay sweat-soaked as her only witness, surrounded by kitchen utensils scattered in the aftermath of an imposed decor. What started as a 2 a.m. snack ended an 8-year struggle in hell. Still shivering in disbelief that it is over, she sought permission to exhale. The air surprisingly carried the scent of pine from the surrounding trees. She could not smell the stench of her victory. She questioned her very verdict. The gun still in his holster can no longer be his guard dog. Knife in his back, Marina, now scarlet. Face down on his sins, sirens in the distance as the neighbors made the call too fearful to approach. Who will the police call the victim? Who will they declare innocent? Who will know of her new hardness as she stood the new Black Mafia?